In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Freshsales and Chargebee seamlessly. This integration should take only about 5 minutes. And by the end of it, you'll have a powerful workflow automation set up to streamline your customer management systems. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Zapier. If you haven't used Zapier before, it's a fantastic tool that connects different apps and automates workflows with ease. Once you've got the Zapier homepage in front of you, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, locate the Create button to make a new Zap. For those of you new to Zapier, a Zap is essentially an automated workflow between apps that you set up to ensure smooth data flow. It's the magic wand that connects your apps, just the way we want Freshsales and Chargebee to work together. Next up is setting the trigger. Choose Chargebee as your trigger app. This is the app where the workflow begins, and for our purpose today, select a trigger event like New Customer. This means that every time a new customer is added in Chargebee, the Zap will kick off. You'll need to connect your Chargebee account during this process, so make sure you have your Chargebee credentials handy. Follow the prompts to authenticate your account. It's pretty straightforward. Now, let's move to the Action section of our Zap setup. For the Action app, select Freshsales. In this case, however, the action event you'll want to choose is something like Add File. Essentially, this step is telling Zapier what to do in Freshsales whenever the trigger event happens in Chargebee. As before, you'll need to connect your Freshsales account. Watch for any prompts that require authentication and simply follow the instructions on screen. With both your trigger and action set up, it's time to map the data. Clicking Continue will bring you to this section. Mapping data is where you match fields from Chargebee to Freshsales to ensure that the information is correctly transferred. Take your time with this step to ensure all relevant data aligns properly and makes sense for your organization's workflow. Finally, test out your Zap to ensure everything is working as expected. Zapier allows you to run tests easily, and this step is crucial for spotting any mistakes before it goes live. If everything looks good, the last step is to publish your Zap. Once you've done that, your integration is all set and ready to use. Congratulations! You now have a powerful Zap connecting Freshsales and Chargebee, automating workflows and boosting your efficiency. Thank you for following along with today's video, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Happy automating!